Hello everybody, welcome to our newest segment of Tom Talks, where I talk about just basically all things commercial insurance or answer common questions that our clients share with us. Today, we are going to be talking about what basic insurance does my small business need? And an insurance agent's favorite answer is, it depends. And I'm going to use that here too. There are a lot of different considerations to make when you're talking about insurance, not only from the insurance standpoint, but also from the company's standpoint, because every business is different. So let's say you lease an office. You need general liability coverage. In fact, most leases will actually require you to have it anyway, and that will help cover you for things like slip and falls at the office, things of that nature. But let's say you don't have an office, and you're a graphic designer, for example. You probably don't have much of a general liability exposure there, but you do have a professional liability exposure, where if you did something for one of your clients and they said, hey, this wasn't to my specifications, or whatever the case may be, and they sue you for that, that's what we call a professional liability type exposure. From an auto standpoint, it depends. There's a lot of different situations where you would need a commercial auto policy versus a personal auto policy, and I'll do a video on that because that can take some time. Finally, from a workers' comp standpoint, even if you are the sole employee, you may still need workers' comp. If you're driving around for your business, God forbid you get into an accident and you're injured, workers' comp would be there to pay for your injuries. And not only that, but if you listened to our video last week, I told a crazy story about a workers' comp claim from somebody that happened at home. So check that out if you haven't seen that. All in all, talk to an insurance agent, ask them questions, give them details about your business, and they can help guide you in what policies your specific business needs at the current point in time. I would also encourage small business owners to do so because premiums typically are not that high for small business. Sometimes they're a few $100s, sometimes a couple thousand. There's a lot of parameters on that, but get quotes, make an educated decision for yourself, because what you don't want is to have your livelihood taken away from you because somebody sued you. So that's what I would implore you to do. Talk with an insurance agent, whether it's us or somebody else. Just make sure that you're protected. And of course, we are always here if you ever have any questions or concerns. Thank you very much for coming to my Tom Talk. We'll see you guys next month.